3 days, 3 nights. No sleep, no peace. Evidence only. Vibes get roasted. I burned 2 computers. Emotionally. Today we're investigating UFOs. My take? I'm not afraid of aliens. I'm afraid of bad evidence. So comment right now. Aliens or misidentified. 3 days, 3 nights. Quick reality check. Evidence mode. My take? If the proof needs your imagination, it's not proof. It's entertainment. Today's rule. We only keep what survives basic checks. Comment. What would convince you? Photo, video, or physical material? New clue, same rules. Here's the mission. 3 questions. 1. What do we actually know? 2. What could be misidentified? And 3. What evidence would settle this? For you, my take? If it can't be checked, it can't be claimed. Comment. What's your default? Aliens or misidentified? And why? 1 sentence, no vibes. If your why is government, I need details. All right, quick reality check. Most UFO clips die here. Planes, satellites, balloons, and stars behind thin clouds, doing optical nonsense. My take? Before aliens, you eliminate boring stuff. Because boring stuff is undefeated. So comment. What do you think people misidentify the most? Planes, satellites, balloons, or stars? Pick one. 1 sentence. No vibes. If you say aliens, I respect your optimism. I do not respect your evidence yet. Now watch the comparisons. All right. Now let's use a strong case. The kind that makes people go, okay, that's weird. My take? A good clip is not a conclusion. It's a starting line. Because the camera can lie, the angle can lie, and your brain is a professional pattern finder. So here's the question. If this stays unexplained, does that mean aliens? Or does it mean we're missing data? Comment. Aliens but are missing data. 1 sentence, no vibes. If your answer is both, pick one anyway. I'm allergic to fence sitting. Let's examine it. All right, evidence ranking. A shaky video is level 1. A video plus radar. Now we're talking. Multiple sensors. Multiple angles. Time synced. That's the good stuff. My take? Most alien claims die right here because they have one thing. A clip. And nothing else. So comment. What convinces you more? Video, radar, or multi-sensor? Pick one, and tell me why. No vibes. If your answer is a feeling, please log off. I say that with love, mostly. All right, brain physics. Your eyes don't see truth. They see patterns. Add distance, add shaky zoom, add a weird angle, and your brain will invent a spaceship out of a dot. My take? Most impossible movement is just camera movement, and most size is just no reference. So comment. What fools you more? Zoom shake, weird angles, or no distance cues? Pick one. No vibes. And yes, I've been fooled too. That's why we test. All right, official reality check. Most reports end up being ordinary stuff. Planes, balloons, drones, stars, weather, boring. But some cases stay unresolved. Not because they're aliens, because the data is trash. My take? Unidentified is not a species. It's a paperwork problem. So comment. Do you think most sightings are misidentified or missing data? Pick one. And tell me why. No vibes. If you answer cover up, define it. Words are cheap, evidence isn't. All right, let's talk about official footage. Here's the problem. A clip feels like proof, but without context. It's just a vibe with pixels. Distance is unknown. Speed is guessed. Zoom lies. And camera systems do weird things. My take? A video can be real and still be misleading. So comment. When you watch a UFO clip, what convinces you most? Motion, shape, or official source? Pick one. And tell me why. No vibes. And yes, because it looks cool, is not allowed. We're adults, allegedly. All right, here's the twist. A lot of UFO cases aren't mysterious. They're incomplete. Bad focus. No distance. No second angle. No sensor data. My take? Unexplained is not a conclusion. It's a missing folder. So before we scream aliens, we ask a boring question. What data would settle it? Radar? Multiple cameras? Physical material? Comment your answer. One sentence. No vibes. If your answer is trust me, I'm not rude. I'm allergic to weak evidence. All right, my standard. When I say a case is interesting, I mean it survives 3 checks. 1, more than one angle. 2, some kind of sensor backup, like radar or tracking. 3, time and location. You can cross-check. My take? If a case has only a clip, it's not a case. It's content. So tell me, what's your minimum standard? 2 angles? Radar? Or physical material? Commented. 1 sentence. No vibes. And yes, a feeling is still banned. I don't make the rules. Reality does. My final take? I'm not afraid of aliens. I'm afraid of bad evidence. Wearing a cool story. Because once you accept weak proof, everything becomes possible. And nothing becomes true. So here's my line. Show me repeatable data. Multiple angles. Sensor support. Then we can talk about unknown. Until then, most of this is human. Human cameras. Human mistakes. Human brains. Doing pattern magic. Comment. What's your vote now? Aliens. Or misidentified. And why? 1 sentence. No vibes. If you changed your mind mid-video, respect. All right. If you made it this far, hit like, subscribe, and drop your vote. Aliens. Or misidentified. And give me 1 sentence why. Quick transparency note. Some visuals in this episode are AI reconstructions and dramatized reenactments. For explanation. No, I'm not saying UFO equals aliens. I'm saying evidence matters more than vibes. Next episode, we take your top comment and go deeper. Do we chase the hum? Do we dig into the wow signal? Or do we go full disaster with Tunguska? Comment 1. Top comment decides. See you next time. Bring sources, not confidence. Yes, I will read your reasons like peer review, with less kindness and more math.